Hello, in this video I'm showing you how to use my favorite indicator on your advantage. Okay, so I have this indicator that I love so much. It works very well. I used it for a long time and I also referred it to other people so that they can also use it. So what you do, you come and press on this F, and then as soon as this comes out, you just go straight, you scroll. Our indicator is this one, relative vigor index. Okay, it's just that this thing you see, relative vigor index. So what you do, you just click on this indicator. After clicking it, here on period you can see it's 10 here. I put 5 here. 5 allows me to remember, 5 allows me to get information from the most previous 5 candlesticks only. Okay, so this indicator works like this. It's just a roll like this. So what happens in the market when this red line is above the green line? It means that the market is more on the sell side. Okay, it's a sell strength, meaning sellers gained power. But when this green line is above the red line, it's when the buyers gained power. Okay, so remember we also use these indicators in line with other indicators, so that may not always be the case. Remember, we have things like sessions, we have a lot. But let's say you were trading here. Okay, you opened and then you saw the indicator crossing, putting green line above the red. What you did, you just took a buy, and then you can see the market also went a buy way. Okay, you can go back and check as many examples as possible. You can see here, as soon as this indicator crossed, the market went sell, and then here again when it does that and that, you can see you can go all over and check your example, check times, check which sessions. Okay, that's very important to always check those kind of things. And then you have where you took losses, so you had just small profit, but still you can see when you get it, you will get the big one. You can see here it crossed. As soon as it crossed, you have all these pips going down. Okay, on the loss side, you will find that your losses are less, and then on the win side, you'll find that you have very big winnings. Okay, like for example, I'll show you here. You can see it crossed here, gave you a buy signal, but if you were to exit when it cross again, you get just a small loss. You can see when it cross, you change. When it cross, you change your signal. Okay, but there that time when it came, let's say you lost here, you lost until here. Okay, which is not a loss. The market was just consolidating, and then you came to take this opportunity when it crossed for a sell signal. Let's see, you can see immediately when it crossed for sell signal, let's say you took a trade, and then you can see that you would have recovered this loss 5 times or even 10 times. Okay, you can see the big opportunity that you get when it's on the right side, and the small loss that you get when the indicator misled you. Okay, like you can see here, let's say it crossed here for a sell, and then you took the whole sell. You can see, just imagine the whole profit in your bank. Okay, but then not always a win. When you lose, as I say, you will lose less. For example, here, let's say it gave you a buy, you took a buy, market never moved that much, and then if actually, I won't say it's a loss, it went up but not that much, and then you took this sell here to recover your loss. If you did have a loss, which I doubt you will. Okay, so the combination of these indicators, remember, it's a magic. So what you do, you have this indicator is the best. You can play with it around just to check how things works. Keep on playing with it, trust it, and then put in other things, certain as fundamental strength. You actually go the whole course and then cook your own strategy based on the tools that I gave you. These are the only best tools, only the best. So if you can put them together the way you put them, and then you just change few things, you will be okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Watch this video as many times as possible so that you can keep on repeating watching it. Sharp, sharp.